Hey, good morning! Happy Sunday!
Antok pa ako.
Anto ka pa? Happy Sunday! Quick ride tayo kasama ang panganay ko. Together with my firstborn.
Firstborn?
Yeah, you are my firstborn.
Kailan?
Here. Ayan o. Ay. Saan tayo punta?
To the moon.
Originally, we're supposed to go to Monte Maria, but then
Yeah.
last minute change. We're going to Pelilla Wind Farm instead.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Time check 5:18. 1 hour 50 minutes na biyahe. So before 7 dapat nandun na tayo. Doon na tayo mag-breakfast, anak.
Sa wind farm?
Oo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Tagal na.
Ba't hindi ka kumain sa bahay? Gonggong ka talaga eh.
Tamad na mamang sabi.
Well, let's see.
Nung sa cellphone ako tapos bibili ka bigla
Oh well, let's see.
Sasabi ko sana kain ako
Let's find somewhere we can eat na lang.
Yeah.
If you're not too hungry, doon na lang tayo mag-breakfast. Okay? Let's go. Look how tall they are, anak.
Bathrooms. Pwede tayo ata park doon.
Hindi.
Bakit sila nakapark doon? Peaceful talaga dito. Basketball.
So ito, napilitan tayong lumipat ng lugar because we're not allowed to fly drone. Well, hindi lang naman talaga yun yung reason, pero I don't know. I mean, I thought there's a place there where you can eat, chill, relax, but I don't know, baka mali kami nang napuntahan. Not sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, I have a feeling, Blake, that there's another place where we can go to, but we just don't know where it is. So
Yeah. By the way, you keep counting out.
huh?
Keep cutting out.
I'm still cutting out now?
Ah?
I'm still cutting out?
No, not right now. Earlier you kept cutting out.
Actually, huh?
Mid-sentence, cut out. Tapos nabalik pa.
Yeah, hold on. Let me turn it off. Kasi kanina ko pa rin naririnig yung boses ko eh. It's not supposed to be the case eh. Hold on. I'll turn it off. I'll turn it off.
Battery status full. Phone connected. Rider A ready.
Hey Cardo, call intercom. Hey Cardo, call intercom.
Rider A busy.
Hey,
Yeah, I can hear you.
I think this is better.
Yeah.
Check. I can still hear myself. Nakabukas yung ano mo? Helmet mo?
Yeah.
That's why.
Ay, hindi nakabukas yung helmet ko.
Oh, weird. I can hear myself.
Check mo late.
That's fine. We're gonna try to look for a place to eat. Seryoso? McDo talaga? Oh,
Sabi mo look for a place to eat. Hindi mo sabi specific.
whatever. How about here? Do you wanna eat here? Tameneng's Eatery. Ano bang meron dito? Fried chicken, half.
I'm just hungry, let's eat.
Huh?
I'm just hungry, let's eat.
Oh wait.
Dad, wanna eat there or there? Oh, there.